guys, Dave's here, and this here is just common lumber that you can buy at Home Depot or Lowe's. It's 11¼ inches wide. I cut it down to I think 19 inches long, 19 or 20, something around there. I've got two of them. I cut them off a 4-foot piece. I try to cut out all the knots and everything, and I mean this is just common lumber now, and I'm going to make these. If you want to watch me, stay tuned. Okay, I got them carved, and I had to do just a little bit of sanding in here to get the fuzzies out and everything. And I've debated whether to stain it, paint it, and I think I've decided I'm going to torch it. So let me start the torch up here. Okay, let's let it cool down a little bit, then we'll seal it up here. I think it looks pretty good. Okay, here's the one with America hanging up here. And here's the one with Freedom. I think it turned out pretty good. Remember, this is common lumber like you can buy at Home Depot or Lowe's. This is a simple pattern that you can do in your CNC. You know, you can stain this if you want to, or paint it however you want. But I thought I'd just take a torch to it. As always, thanks for watching, guys.